Hi, my name is Muhammad Nabil Hakim. Welcome to AirAsia. We are proud to have you here today. Let's move to the first question. Firstly, tell me about yourself and your educational background.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fazlimati Mustafa and I am a graduate student of the Maritime Management. My study is about the maritime industry. My subject is more about maritime and management. I have many opportunity to work in the company and I am very interested to apply as a flight attendant at Asia because it's my ambition.
Okay, what do you know about AirAsia?
Um, Asia is a Malaysian low-cost airline that operate a scheduled domestic and international flight to over 165 destinations in 25 countries. It was found in 1993 and has grown to become the largest airline in Malaysia and one of the largest low-cost carrier in the world.
Okay, next is let's say if you are hired as a cabin crew, how would you handle a difficult passenger who does not speak the same language as you?
If I were a cabin crew and had to handle a difficult passenger who do not speak the same language as me, I would try to communicate using a non-verbal such a gesture of facial experience and tone of the voice. I would like to also try to find someone on the plane who could speak the passenger language of or use translation apps. How I handle with the passenger? I always remain calm and patient. In important to remain calm and patient even if the passenger in being difficult or uncooperative. I will try to understand their concern and address them as best I can. I also involve the senior crew member. If the situation become too difficult to handle, I will involve the senior crew member or the captain to help me resolve the issue. As a cabin crew member, it is important to handle difficult passenger with the passion and empathy and professional, even if they do not speak the same language as you. And overall, it is important to approach a difficult passenger with a positive attitude and a willingness to help by be patient and empathize and professional. I would like to try find a station that would, would satisfied the passenger and the airline policy and procedure.
Okay, next question is how do you handle change to work to your work schedule or duties?
Before I was a student and work part time job, I had a work schedule or task, but in general, adapting to change in the work schedule, I or task requirement flexibility, time management skill, and effective communication with college and supervisor is important to prioritize a task, plan, and ask for the help or support when needs. Therefore, I can take care of the time, make a organized work planner when I am given tasks that need to be carried out. My work will be more efficient and organized.
Okay. Next is, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why?
Mm, if I give the opportunity and time to travel the world, I have some personal choice that become a list of my favorite place that I really want to visit some popular tourism destination, including place like Paris, Tokyo, New York, Bali, and Sydney. The choice of the travel destination depend on individual interests, budget, and travel goals. Therefore, I am accepted to work as a AirAsia crew. I can work while traveling.
Okay. If you had to create a marketing campaign for AirAsia, what would it look like and why?
Okay. If I had to create a marketing campaign for the AirAsia, I would like focus on promoting its affordable convenience and accessibility. The campaign could features a testimony from satisfied customer who have save money and time by using AirAsia service. It could also highlight the airline's commitment for sustainability and social responsibility by showcasing its eco-friendly. And the campaign could be delivery through various of channel, including social media, TV ads, print ads, and influencer marketing.
Okay. It is an open session. What question you would
Okay.
like to ask?
Um, I have any question to ask. What um, what measure has AirAsia implemented to ensure passengers safety and hygiene during the COVID pandemic?
Okay. As a response to the COVID-19 pandemic, AirAsia has implemented several measures to ensure passengers' safety and hygiene. Some of the steps that AirAsia has taken is, firstly, the face mask. All passengers and crew members are required to wear face masks at all time. Secondly, social distancing. AirAsia has introduced the new measures to encourage social distancing during boarding, on the plane, and during disembarkation. Thirdly, the enhanced cleaning. AirAsia has enhanced their aircraft cleaning procedures and disinfecting measures, including regular cleaning of high-touch surfaces such as seats, tray tables, and armrests. Asia also have many steps that they provide, such as sanitation, air filtration, contactless procedures, and health declaration. By implementing these measures, AirAsia aims to ensure the safety and well-being of its passengers and crew members during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. That's all you would like to ask?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. We will contact you for the result. Good luck.